the high in 2007, which is huge. They also started a new stimulus plan, which is again another $81 billion in 2009. So since that stimulus plan, the market has improved actually. There's been a 10% growth rate seen in the fourth quarter of 2009. Now they focus on improving the employment conditions. Small, mid-sized private businesses. Japan actually cares about their small businesses, not like in America, we only care about the major corporations. Subsidies for energy-efficient products, energy-efficient cars and solar energy, stuff like that. And they're going to sell some construction-like funds. Now these are going to be bonds. Japan's not actually supposed to sell construction bonds unless they're doing like private projects, but their government's saying that they might offer it to the general public to raise funds and help their overall GDP. And there's been recent numbers saying that the GDP is growing and there's no longer a threat of a double dip, and Japan might actually be out of their recession pretty soon. But again, as many of you know, there's been a huge recall about Toyota, so that's again going to keep hurting their exports. So Japan's on their way to recovery, but they're not quite there yet. So part of our conclusion is our prediction is that the Fed will have to raise interest rates. They're currently floating between 0% to 0.25%, which is ridiculously low. Taxes will most likely be raised. I mean, he said that there's like an $800 billion stimulus package in the U.S. currently, and that's probably going to be pushed onto us. What I think should happen is that they should cut government spending, restructure some certain government programs like Social Security. I think that program should be completely just cut. Have that pool of money be distributed to the people who are currently on Social Security, and have some certain age groups be grandfathered into the Social Security program, but everybody else should privatize their own retirement fund. That's going to stimulate the economy a lot because we're going to have investment firms and